In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. There are changes occurring in our life for all the time. Some of these changes, maybe most of these changes, are not because of our own desire, are not the result of our desires, not the result of our efforts. Rather, these changes has occurred on its own according to the law of nature, according to the law of nature, not by our will, not by our efforts, not by our struggle. So some of the changes do occur with our effort as well, with our struggle as well, with our desires as well. Now, as for the changes occurring on its own, without our effort, without our will, usually we don't look upon these changes with happiness, with positivity. Only very few of the changes occurring automatically are liked and appreciated by us. And the changes which does occur because of our own effort, because of our own struggle, obviously we do like, and we have been struggling, we have been making effort for this sort of change since long. The changes occurring without our effort, without our will, without our desire does not necessarily mean that these are the bad changes. These are the bad changes. And the changes which does occur because of our effort, because of our struggle, does not necessarily mean that these are the good changes and are going to bring my life to a better place. We, the human beings, are usually very short sighted. We, the human beings, are usually very short sighted. We become focused upon one aspect of every change or any change, one, two effects, aspects of the changes. We are unable to see the change thoroughly, the effects of the change thoroughly, unable to measure. Only with the passage of time we do come to know that the things which I did not like were not bad actually for me. But this thing took a lot of time to understand. Why? Because I was not receptive, because I did not take the changes positively, and the things and the changes which were liked by me were not that good for me as well. But I came to understand after the passage of a very good amount of time. Why? Because I was not prepared to look upon the negative side of that change. So, this is our short sightedness. I think so. Every change, whether occurring without our effort or with our effort, I think there are both types of effects, the positive effects, the negative effects as well. If at all a change has occurred on its own without our struggle, without our effort, and we did not even like it, despite all this, there are certain benefits, and definitely there are one, but we are unable to notice, and it takes us a lot of time to understand. Why does it take a lot of time, and why are we unhappy? Because we are unwilling to look upon the different aspects, to look upon all the sides. We usually remain focused upon one side, upon one aspect and that side which is very much apparent, which is very much obvious, which is very much overt. with a, mean an arrival of every change, I think so that we should be looking upon, we should try to look and we should try to cover each and every aspect of that particular change, and we should try to explore the positive sides, the positive effects, and the useful and the beneficial effects, long term or short term, occurring because of this change. We need to embrace change, we need to welcome the change. If at all we do make it a habit of welcoming the change, I think so we shall be able to explore, we shall be able to notice, and we shall be able to enlist the positive sides, the positive aspects, and the good things which are going to come to our life because of that particular change. And only this does happen if at all we are taking the change positively, if at all only we are welcoming the change, if at all only we are ready for the change. It is very important, it is very necessary to keep ourselves ready for the sake of change. And we must be very much prepared. We must be very much prepared to explore the positive sides, the positive effects of every change, whether it has occurred according to our desire or against our desire. In both of these cases, we must look upon each and every change with the positivity in mind, with the positive glosses wearing. Never be unwelcoming to the change. Never be unwelcoming to the change. We are short sighted. Usually, a human being is a short sighted one. We are not foresighted. Some of the changes which we like and which we appreciate, but only with the passage of time we come to know that although I made lots of effort to achieve this thing and to get connected with this human being, but it was not good for me. It was not good for me. I could not understand at that moment because I was excited. So please remember, there are always two sides of every change. So if at all something has happened according to our desire, according to our effort, and we are very happy at least momentarily, but we must keep in mind that there will be certain negative effects of this change as well. I must be ready to explore, I must be ready to accept, and I must be ready to cope with that. On the other hand, if at all there are certain changes occurring in my life, certain changes has occurred in my life I did not like and did not appreciate, but there are definitely certain benefits and certain advantages hiding here, and it's my responsibility, it's my duty to explore, and it's my duty to take advantage, to avail us those positive sides. Thank you.